Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can add text shortcuts to the keyboard of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening Settings, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then you should see the option Text Shortcuts. Tap on it. Then to create a text shortcut, start by tapping on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then you want to give the shortcut a small phrase so that you can activate it. So you can give this phrase or this shortcut a hi. Then from here, we can now expand the phrase. So now, instead of it, so whenever we type in hi, it would type in the expanded phrase. Once you've finished typing in your phrase, then you want to tap on Add. So now to use your text shortcut, it's fairly simple. Go to a place where you're going to type, say for example, messages. Then from here, you want to open a conversation and you want to bring up the keyboard. So to use the text shortcut, you want to type in that small phrase, and then you should see your expanded phrase appearing on the suggestion strip. So you want to tap on that expanded phrase, and you can see the whole expanded phrase that you had typed in earlier as part of your shortcut has now appeared here. So you can make typing much faster, especially if you want to send the same type of message to multiple people. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.